What's up, guys? Back at it again with another YouTube video. Like always, I got this from the Nike outlet. That's not true. I don't always shop at the Nike outlet. But when I do, you can rest assured I got a crazy deal. This is the Air Max 1 Premium. Retails for 145 Canadian dollars. And I paid 60 Canadian plus tax for them. Let's check them out. Pretty fire sneaker if you ask me. Let's get it in focus here real quick. Let's bring it up to the camera so you can actually see what it's all about. I should point out, this is like a nice little weird suede type material here. Nice little leather, metal bits here. It says Nike Air at the back. Air unit. Nice little bottom here. Conventional Air Max dot bottom. This is a pair of Air Max 1s. If you're not familiar with them, they're pretty comfortable sneakers. Most Air Max sneakers are. These are the Skull Edition sneakers. They got a skull on the tongue. I think that's pretty fly. The other thing I should point out, lace tips are metal. A blacked out metal, pretty fly if you ask me. Gonna throw these on like usual. Maybe I'll get some more light in here first. I think that's okay. Before I throw these on, I just gotta say, I'm a huge fan of Air Max. Air Max products are the bomb. Try these on right now. Before I continue, I should mention the soles. They're pretty fly. They say Nike Air inside. Gonna throw them on right now.